welcome. Good to see you again. Thanks for watching our video last time about the keto fries. Linnea, what are we going to bake today? For the pandesal, we need the almond flour, 1.5 cup of almond flour. You put it here. I say it and then you put it here, okay? Slowly. You put them all together and see that it's not going to fall. Oops. It's heavy. Is it heavy? I think it's a little heavy, yeah, for your little hands. Yes, bravo. And then this flour has been sifted already. We need two. Yes, that one. We need 2 tablespoons of baking powder. We put them all together. The dry ingredient, not yet. And then we have 1.5 teaspoon of coconut sugar. That's also a keto sugar. And this is optional. This is vanilla sugar. We can put vanilla extract, yeah, or we can put vanilla sugar. And I have 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So, thank you. So what we're going to do is mix them all together in this bowl, like this. It's very easy. We have a 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. I do it, let's just say. I'll do it because it's wet, yeah? You might spill it. And a 3 egg white. So we put them together and then we mix them. Yeah, mix it like this. And then pour it in the dry ingredients. Okay, thank you. Now you stack all the things together. And then we will mix it. We're gonna mix the ingredient. And then after we mix the egg white and the apple cider with the other dry ingredients, we can go ahead and add the psyllium husk. Okay, here you pour it, hold it properly, pour everything. Okay, and then we keep on mixing it just with our hands until everything is mixed together. So after we mix all the ingredients like this, we're going to let it sit for 10 minutes. Let the dough sit for 10 minutes. Okay, so I have to introduce to you my new helper here. His name is Jalen. My other little helper is a little bit not in the mood, so now I have Jalen. So this is how it looks like after 10 minutes. So what we are going to do, Jalen, is going to take this one, form it like a bun. I will use the breadcrumbs. So I hope that it will look like a real pandesal. This mixture will make up to, like, if this size will make up to 10 to 12 buns. If you like it bigger, you can make it bigger. You can make it how you like it. 180 degrees for 40 minutes, 35 to 40 minutes. So this is how it looks like, and see, it's very soft. It's very soft. And yeah, I made the bun a little bit small, so it turned out to become 14. But like I said, if you make it bigger, you will have only 10 pieces of this. Thank you for watching, and I hope you're going to try the recipe and make a comment. Tell me what happened. Thank you very much. Until the next time. Bye.